वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवन् ऋलक् एओङ् ऐ औच् अयवरट् लन् ञमाङणम् जभै खडदश् जबगडदश् खपचठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमङणनां नासिका च एधैतोगो कण्ठतालु ओदौ तोगो कण्ठ ओष्ठम् आरस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
वकारस्य ओष्टं
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यं
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
अस्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
सु औजस्
औजस्
औक्षस्
औक्षस्
ताभ्यां बिस्
ताभ्यां
ङेभ्यां ब्यस् ङसीभ्यां ब्यस् ङस् ओस् आम् ङि ओस् सुप् सु औजस् तिप् तस् झि सिप् तस् थ निप् वस् मस् त आतां झ थास् आतां द्वम् इट् वहि महिङ् ईतः अन्ति सि तः थ नि वह मह ते आते अन्ते से आथे द्वे ये वहे महे What was the last dhatu we saw? Can anyone say? Sorry?
Yam. Yachati.
Okay, Chati.
Dhan dhatu.
Yeah, that yach dhatu, right? Yam becomes
Dhan,
yach.
yes.
Yeah, da becomes.
Dane, to give.
Yeah. So these special dhatus, anya mukhya dhatavaha. This which are marked in red color.
Yes.
Yeah. Just to give you a quick reminder, what these dhatus belong to first gana. These dhatus, when followed by shakaradi pratyaya, the dhatu will change its form. Yam will become yach, pa will become pib, ghra will become jigr. This is only when shakaradi pratyaya follows and belongs to first gana. So in the lat lakara, when you derive, shap will come. When shap comes, the form changes. Only when shakaradi pratyaya follows. Shakaradi means pratyaya beginning with shakara, or the pratyaya having shakara. Okay. Only if the shit pratyaya follows. It's not shakaradi. Only when shit pratyaya follows. Yes, only when shit pratyaya follows, these forms will change. So shta will become sta. Drishya will become pashya. Not shakaradi. Shakaradi is another one. When shit, I think when shit pratyaya, that is pratyaya in which shakara is it letter follows, these dhatus will change its form. Therefore, in lat lakara, when you derive the kriya padam, the form changes. Drishya will become pashya, da will become h. In other places, it won't change. It will remain as it is. Okay. So now let us take the next one. Okay, this is what is first gana is. First gana, we have done many dhatus. Other dhatus you can try when you go. The forms are same simple. You can move on to the next gana, Divadi gana, that is fourth gana dhatu. We have taken one dhatu from each type in the first gana, and we have done the derivation. Now we can take the fourth gana dhatu. Fourth gana dhatu has got the list. So I'll show you the list. You can take the first dhatu, fourth gana dhatu, man dhatu. Fourth gana vikarna is shan. Shan is the gana vikarna pratyaya. So now you can decline the fourth gana dhatu, Ganesh, lat lakara form, which is already given in the screen. You can see. Lat form you can say.
So it is Atmanepadi dhatu.
Yes, Atmanepadi.
It is Manyate, Manyete, Manyante, Manyase, Manyethe, Manyadve, Manye, Manyavahe, Manyamahe.
Good. Now the next one.
Then
We can continue.
Lang Lakara.
Yeah, 1 minute. We can continue. The next one, next person will do. Before that, you can repeat. Lattakara, karoti, krudatu. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti.
Krudatu, important dhatu. So you should not forget. That's why we can chant. Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
Karoshi, kurutaha, kurutha.
Karomi, kuruvaha, kurmaha.
Karomi,
Kurvaha,
kurvaha.
Kurute, kurvate, kurvate.
Kurute, kurvate.
Kurushe, kurvate, kurudve.
Purushe, Kurvate,
Kurudve.
Kurve, kurvahe, kurvamahe.
Kurve, Kurvahe,
Kurmahe.
Kara, tam, an.
Sakara, An,
Sakara, tamta.
Sakara,
Va, ma.
ma.
Atam, anta.
Anta,
Thaha, atam, dvam. I, vahi, mahi.
Mahi.
Now the next person can do, Kameshwaraji. See, first gana dhatu, I have done sample dhatu from each type. Other dhatus, you please try it in your leisure. Only 4 lakaras. Not difficult. Once you can do the lat lakara, lung, lot, ling will be easy. We will take the same dhatus later in some other context. You're going to learn the krudanta. In Kradanta, we are going to learn Shatru, Shamaj, and Tavatu. Those that context we will take up again those dhatus. But you can take that as dhatu as your homework. Take 1 or 2 dhatus a week and you can derive the forms. Okay, now Kameshwaraji.
Which dhatu now?
Same man dhatu, lang lakara.
Amanyet, amanyetam,
Amanyat. Man dhatu, atmanipadi.
Amanyet, amanyetam.
Kameshwaraji, listen, it is atmanipadi dhatu, not parasmipadi. Man dhatu, fourth gana, it is atmaipadi, not parasmipadi. So therefore,
Amanyet, that's what?
Amanyata, Amanyetam,
Oh,
Amanyanta,
Amanyata, amanyetam, amanyanta, amanyataha, amanyetam,
Amanyetam,
manyetam, amanyedvam, amanyevahi, manyavahi, amanyamahi. Amanyavahi, amanyamahi.
Manyate, Manyate, Latlakara. Manya, the form you are getting it, Manya. Manya plus the thing pratyaya. Te atmanipadi. Now, in lang lakara, what you need to do is add akara before the dhatu, amanya. Then add the atmanipadi dhatu, ta. What you see, amanyata. Similarly, amanya plus itam, a plus e will become gunasandhi, amanyetam. Amanya plus anta, amanyanta. Savana dirgha sandhi happens. Does it happen here?
No.
Why? Why doesn't happen? What is the rule?
Pararupa sandhi.
Pararupa sandhi. Okay. When guna letter follows, then guna letter. That particularly when
Replaced by guna.
apadanta akara. That's very specific. So that will apply. Similarly, amanyataha. Simple. Amanyataha. Amanya amanyetam. Amanyadvam, amanyadvam. A is the at agama. Manya is man plus shan pratyaya. Manya. Manya plus e. Manya plus e. A plus e. Manye. Guna happens. Amanye. Manya plus vahi. What happens here? Amanyavahi. Why amanyavahi? What is the rule? Don't forget the rule.
When Yanj letter.
Elongation of akara happens.
Adantanga followed by yajnadi pratyaya.
Adantanga followed by yajnadi pratyaya. Yes.
Then that will be that is a will become adirga.
Dirgha. Apada adantanga, that's very important. It's anga. Adantanga followed by yajnadi pratyaya, yang letters. Then becomes dirgha. Okay, the next person now. Before that, we can chant this krudhatu. Akarot, akurutam, akurvan.
Akarot, akurutam, akurvan.
Kurvan.
Do you think this exercise is useful? Shall we do? It takes time. If it is useful, we can do. Or if you can do on your own, then we will skip this.
Useful.
No, it's useful.
It is useful.
One dhatu, but in every class we do, it will take some time. Take first half an hour. Okay. So, okay, then continue. Akaroho, akurutam, akuruta.
Akaroho, akurutam, akurata.
Akuruta.
Akaravam, akurva, akurma.
Akaravam, akurva, akurma.
Akuruta, akurvatam, akurvata.
Akuruta.
Akurvatam, akurvata.
Akurutaha, akurvatam, akurudvam.
Akurutaha, akurvatam. अकुर्वम्
कुर्वी अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
अकुर्वी
अकुर्वहि
अकुर्वहि अकुर्महि
अस्ति स्तः सन्ति
अस्ति
स्तः
सन्ति
अस्ति स्तः स्त
अस्ति स्तः स्त
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
अस्मि स्वः स्मः
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीत् आस्ताम् आसन्
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसीः आस्तम् आस्त
आसम् आस्व आस्म
आसम् आस्व आस्म
Krishnan ji, you can do the lot lakara. Yeah, mandatu lot lakara.
मन्यताम् मन्येताम् मन्यन्ताम् मन्यस्व मन्येताम् मन्यध्वम् मन्यै मन्यावहै मन्यामहै
Yes. Karotu kurutam kuruvantu
करोतु कुरुतां कुर्वन्तु
कुर्वन्तु
kurutam kuruta
कुरुतं कुरुत
karavani karavava karamama karavama
करवाणि करवाव
kurutam kurvatam kurvatam
कुर्वातां
kurushva atham kurudvam
कुरुष्व
कुरुध्वं
karavai karavavahai karavamahai
करवामहै
itam iyuhu ihi itam ita iyam iva ima
ima
ita iyatam iran
ईरन्
itaha iyatam idvam
ईद्वम्
iya ivahi imahi
ईमहि
Is my voice clear? Is any
Very clear.
Very clear.
Ramaji mandatu
मन्येथा मन्येयाथां मन्येरन् मन्येथाः मन्येयाथां मन्येध्वं मन्येय मन्येवहि मन्येमहि.
yes kuryat kuryatam kuryuhu
कुर्यात्
कुर्याताम्
कुर्युः
kuryaha kuryatam kuryata
कुर्यातं
कुर्यातम्
कुर्यात
kuryam kuryava kuryama
कुर्याव कुर्याम
kurvita kurviyatam kurviran
कुर्वीत कुर्वीयातां कुर्वीरन्
kurvitaha kurviyatam kurvidvam
ताः
कुर्वीयाताम्
कुर्वीध्वं
कुर्वीध्वम्
kurviya कुर्वीमहि कुर्वीमहि
कुर्वीर्य
कुर्वीवहि
कुर्वीमहि
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 अस्तु स्तां सन्तु
अस्तु
अस्तु
स्तां
तां
सन्तु
सन्तु
एधि स्तंस्त
एधि
एधि
स्तांस्त
असानि असाव असाम
असानि
असानि
असाव
असाव
असाम
असाम
हसानि
स्यातां स्युः
असाम
यातां
यातां
स्युः
स्युः
स्याः स्यातं स्यात
स्याः यातं
स्यातं
स्यात्
स्यात्
स्यां स्याव स्याम
स्यां
स्याम
स्याव
याव
स्याम
Now, just a minute. Yeah. Next person, Lataji, you can read this.
लिङ् लकारः मन्येत
No, what you see in the screen.
सुभाषितम् गौरवं प्राप्यते दानात् न तु वित्तस्य सञ्चयात् स्थितिरुचैः पयोदानां पयोधीनाम् अधः स्थितिः.
Okay. Now, what is the Kriya Padam in this Subhashitam? You have to identify the Kriya Padam first. Let us take word by word, one by one. Gauravam, Prapyate.
Prapyate is a Kriya Padam there.
Prapyate, then Danat, Na, Tu, Vittasya, Sanchayat,
Sanchayat is another Kriya.
Sthiti Ruchaihi.
Ayodhanam.
Need to split this. Sthiti Ruchaihi. How do you split this?
Sthitihi Uchaihi.
Sthitihi plus Uchaihi. Sthitihi plus Uchaihi. Sthiti Ruchaihi. We know what Sandhi is.
Yes.
Right?
It's Visarga.
Visarga is not preceded by Akara, therefore Repa is there. Then Melanam happens with Uchaihi.
Yeah.
So Sthiti Ruchaihi. Payodhanam, Payodhinam, Adaga Sthitihi. Okay. So no Sandhi, only one Sthiti Ruchaihi only. Prapyate is Karmani. It is Karmani Prayoga. Okay. We have not seen Karmani Prayoga. We have to see other topics, then we can see Karmani Prayoga. Karmani means passive, passive forms. Passive forms we have not yet started. First, let us learn the Kartari, active forms, then we will see passive. So, Prapyate. Prapyate means is gained, is attained. That is the meaning, Prapyate. Now, Danat, what? Vibhakti Danat.
Dhanat is
Anybody can answer it. Dana.
Panchami.
Panchami.
So Dana is a Pratipadika. So Panchami Danat. Danat Gauravam Prapyate. One sentence. Danat Gauravam Prapyate. What is gained? Gauravam.
Respect is gained by
giving.
By giving. Dana.
By giving, respect is gained. Nato Vittasya. What giving? Vittasya Danat. We have to connect Vittasya, which is in the second line.
Okay.
Vittasya, the Vitta is money, wealth. Vittam. Vittasya Shashti Vibhakti. Vittasya Kasya Danat. Vittasya Danat. Kim Prapyate Gauravam Prapyate. Vittasya Danat Gauravam Prapyate. Vittasya Sanchayat na gauravam prapyate. Sanchaya means accumulating, gathering. Just by gathering of wealth. Gauravam na prapyate. Na should be connected to prapyate when it comes to the second line. Sanchayat. Two things are there. One is danat, other one is sanchayat. One is giving, other one is taking. One is contributing, other one is consuming. So danat gauravam prapyate. Vittasya danat gauravam prapyate. Vittasya sanchayat na gauravam prapyate. So two things are given. For that, he is giving an upama, an example. That is the second line. Stitihi. Stitihi means position, stand, station. Stitihi. Uchchaihi. Uchchaihi means above. Payodana. What is payoda? What is payoda? First one, payoda. Alpa prana or payodha. Yes, payoda. Paya means water. Da means to give. Okay. So payoda means payaha dadati. That which gives water. Which gives water? You can guess, anybody.
Clouds.
Clouds.
Clouds gives water. Clouds give water, and payodhina, what receives water?
The sea.
Sea,
Yes.
ocean.
Ocean. That is called paya. What is payodhi? Can you split? Some sandhi has happened there. You can guess.
The
Huh?
Dinam.
You can split. Louder.
Adhinam. Paya plus adhinam. Adaha.
Dinam.
Oh, it is a mistake. Okay. Paya plus udadi. Payodadina. Oh, dakara is missing there. Okay. Sorry. Paya plus udadi. Udadi is ocean.
Ocean.
Okay. Dakara is missing. So payodadina. Payodadi. Udadi means ocean. Paya is water. So payodadina. Udadi. So payodha is cloud. Payodhadi is ocean. So the clouds which gives water, where it is located? Above Uchchaihi. It's above. And the ocean which receives water, Payodadina, what is its status, position? Below.
It's
So
lower.
the giver is always above and the receiver is always below. So by giving you become great. That is what the meaning of the Subhashita. Nice example. Payodanam sitihi uchchaihi. Payodadina sitihi adaha. And paya udadi is accumulates. That is why its position is lower. Like vittasya sanchayat, na gauravam prapyate. Sanchaya. Here also the ocean, just sanchaya of water. It collects the water. That is why it is below. Whereas clouds doesn't carry anything. It's like a sannyasi, it just gives up. So therefore it is free. It's always above. It's a beautiful Subhashita. Okay. You can chant once. Gauravam prapyate danat.
Gauravam
Guravam prapyate danat.
Natu vittasya sanchayat.
Natu
Vittasya sanchayat.
Iti ruchchaif payodanam.
Payodanam.
Payodadhinam adastitihi.
Payodadinam adastitihi.
Paya udadi. To my knowledge, it must be udadi. Let me check also whether payodi meaning ocean is there. Okay. So we can take it as paya udadi. Udadi is ocean. Okay. Now, again, go to the next one. Ganesh,
question.
last class Punarjanma. With that we stop. Okay, then we can move on.
10th one.
Yeah, 10th one you can do, please.
Yatva deham punarjanmati.
10th one is Vitaragavaya.
Yes.
Starting from there.
वीतराग भय क्रोधाः मन्मया मामुपाश्रिताः बहवो ज्ञान तपसा पूता मद्भावमागताः.
First, do the Sandhi.
मामुपाश्रिताः.
Yes.
माम् उपाश्रिताः.
Yes.
So
That's something is there. Just made Mam plus Upashita.
उपाश्रिताः. उपाश्रिताः.
Yeah, you can say yes.
So this is Savarna Dirgha here.
Yes.
And manmayaha mam.
No, not Maya, Manmayaha.
Manmayaha.
Okay. Manmayaha. Mat Mayaha. Yes, Mayaha. Manmayaha.
So
Yes.
so the visarga is here. So manmayaha plus mam. Manmaya mam. So visarga followed by makara, which is hush,
Yes.
and therefore it
Becomes Yakara.
becomes ikara and becomes yakara and becomes lopa.
Ganeshji, simple one thing you remember.
Yes.
If Visarga is preceded by a, short vowel a, okay. Visarga is preceded by a short vowel, then Visarga will be replaced by Ukara. That's number one. What follows that you know, followed by Akara or followed by Hush, right? So
Yes.
that's what I'm not saying. Only preceding letter is. That is with respect to the Adesha. I'm saying Visarga, just see the preceding letter of Visarga. If it is Akara, then Ukara is the Adesha. If it is Akara, then Yakara is the Adesha. Anything other than that, Repa will be there. Okay. This if you can remember. Now, the following letter is Hush. Makara is that you have found out. Preceding letter is A.
A.
So, replaced by Yakara. That's all.
It becomes lopa.
Yes. Preceded by A, Ukara. Preceded by A, Yakara.
Yakara.
Preceded by any other letter, it is Repa. This any other letter other than Akara or Akara. Okay. If you can remember this,
Right.
and the following conditions are fulfilled, then you can easily say the Adesha. There will not be confusion with regard to Adesha. Whether Yakara will come or not, what will happen, right? So Akara, Akara, other than Akara, Akara. Three things.
Right.
Easy way to understand.
Right.
Easy way to can identify the Sandhi. Okay. Yeah. Please.
Right. Next is manmayaha.
Hmm.
So we can split this as madmayaha.
Okay. It is. Yeah. Please do.
Madmayaha.
Hmm.
So here it is anunasika. Ma is anunasika. So it's yar followed by anunasika.
Good.
Therefore
Yes.
it becomes anunasika sandhi.
Yes.
So manmayaha is the result.
Yeah.
Then
But we can. It's a samasta padam. Okay. It's not a individual padam. It is a mayat pratyaya is added. So tadita. Within tadita, we can do the sandhi. Okay.
Right.
This when you do the sandhi means it doesn't mean that they are individual words. They are like samasa. They are also one word. In the word sandhi has happened.
so manmayaha is one word.
One word. Yes. One word. Yes. Mata plus mayaha, manmayaha. Sandhi has happened within a word. And we have seen within a samasa, samasta padam sandhi samast. Between two padam sandhi is optional. Between dhatu and upasarga sandhi is a must. Right? Okay.
Right.
Continue.
Then krodha manmaya. So as earlier it is visarga followed by dirgha a.
Hmm.
Therefore it is replaced by yakara and that becomes lopa and therefore it is krodha manmaya.
Yes. So vitaraga bhaya krodaha. Okay. Second line.
Then madbhavam.
Hmm.
Mat plus bhavam. The jastva sandhi happens.
Hmm.
And ta is replaced by the madbhavam. Then madbhavam agataha. So it's madbhavam plus agataha. Savarna dirgha happens. Then this puta madbhavam. So putaha plus madbhavam. Here again it's visarga preceded by akara, dirgha, and therefore it's replaced by yakara and it becomes low. becomes lopa. Yakara becomes lopa. Therefore, it's puta madbhavam. Then bahavo jnana tapasa. So here we can split it as bahavaha jnana tapasa. Jnana tapasa is one word.
Yes.
So bahavaha jnana tapasa. So here it is visarga followed by nya.
Jakara.
Jnana tapasa ja. It's a ja, and therefore it's hush, and therefore gets replaced. Sorry, visarga gets replaced by u, and guna happens. Because of purva rupa, it becomes bahavo jnana tapasa. Sorry.
Not Purva.
No, sorry, it's not purva rupa.
Hmm.
It is ayabhava.
It's just Gunasandhi, that's all. A plus
Gunasandhi
Gunasandhi. Nothing happens.
Gunasandhi happens.
Gunasandhi. Bhagavo Jnana Tapasa.
Bahavo jnana tapasa.
So all the other words are in Bhagavachana. Vitaraga Bhaya Krodaha, Manmayaha, Mamapashitaha, Bhagavaha, Putaha, Bhavamagataha, Katam, Jnana Tapasa. Tritiya Tapasa. Okay. Next one, Kameshwari. Next shloka.
Yeah. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहं मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. Here, bhajamyaham, that can be split as bhajami plus aham. So yan sandhi will happen. Then this tamstataiva, we can write as tan plus tata plus eva. Tata plus eva is vriddhi sandhi.
Ta plus Eva.
A plus
Oh,
e.
1 minute, 1. Tata plus Eva.
Eva.
Yeah. Not Eva. Sorry. You're right.
Eva.
Yes.
Eva. So A plus A is I, vriddhi sandhi.
Mhm.
The tan plus tata, here,
There,
yeah,
important sandhi.
yeah. Here padanta nakara, that padanta nakara followed by chow letter, which in turn is followed by means nakara will be replaced by repa, and the preceding vowel will get either anuswara or anunasika, adesha.
Good.
So here the tan plus tata, nakara first will become repa, and the preceding letter will get So ta plus
Preceding letter get
tata.
Anuswara. Okay.
Anuswara. Anuswara, sorry. Anuswara. And repa will become first visarga, then replaced by padanta repa will become sakara. Then it is replaced by here anuswara. Here according to this one.
Okay.
So here that optional is there. Here it is anuswara, not anunasika.
Yeah.
Tamstata.
Padanta Nakara Aha Chavi followed by Chav letter, Takara being a Chav, and followed by So Nakara becomes Ru. Here also Nakara is replaced by Ru. Remember the last class we saw Ru?
Yeah.
It's replaced by Ru. The content of Ru is Repa. When Nakara is replaced by Ru, that is Repa, the preceding vowel gets either Anunasika or Anuswara Adesha. So here A is that gets Anuswara Adesha, Tam. Now Ru has come, Ru is nothing but Repa. Now Repa followed by Kar letter. So when Kar letter follows, Repa will become Visarga. Then still Kar letter follows, therefore Visarga will be replaced by Sakara. That's all, Tamsataiva. Depending on the Kar letter, if it is other letter, Chakara or Shakara, so some other letter, not Shakara, within the Chau, other Kar letter follows, then Shtutva Sandhi or Shutva Sandhi accordingly it will happen. Okay, so here it is Takara only, so no problem. After Sakara, just say this on the Tamsataiva. One becomes so. One.
Sharan,
Yes.
is it not Repanuswara Sandhi?
That's what it is.
Padanta Nakara is followed by Chav.
That's what he said. Yeah, Repanuswara Sandhi. Exactly. Yes.
Right.
Then the form is Tamstataiva. Okay, continue.
Okay, ma Mom is.
You can mark this word. It's important. The sandhi is sometimes you'll find in the Gita. At few places you will see this. So you can mark this. Tan tataiva. Tan tataiva. Yeah.
Then prapadyante, no sandhi.
Prapadyante. Okay. So padyante, that kriya padam, just mandatu we saw now fourth gana. Similarly padadatu also. In that document, I have given this padadatu. All the forms you can check, like mandatu, paddatu, padyate, padyete, padyante. So bahuvachanam pratama vibhakti latlakara. Prakarshena padyante. Again padyante. Okay. Fourth gana dhatu. Pad plus shan plus then ante. Padyante. Okay. Continue.
And then mom is padanta makara, so it is replaced by anuswara. That is when followed by hal.
Good. Okay.
Then
Second line.
sarvashah, that is that visarga is avasana visarga, so it will be there. Then partha, no nothing. Manushya also. Okay. No, visarga is there here. Visarga is not lopaha like that.
Visarga will become lopaha only when it is followed by hash letter. You have to look for hash letter. It is per letter.
This is per letter.
Therefore, Visarga remains as it is. Manushya partha.
Manushya, here upad manya.
Okay.
Then mama vartma. Here savarna dirgha sandhi is coming. Vartma plus anuvartante, vartmanu. Plus so savarna dirgha sandhi.
Yes. So
Vartmanu vartante.
and vartante we have seen the dhatu. Vartate, vartete, vartante. It is in first gana to be. Vartate, anuvartante, follow. Mama vartma, my path they follow. Vartma, mama vartma. Vartma is vartman, nakaranta shabda. Okay. Vartma is prathama bhakti ekavachanam. Napumsaklinga. Vartma. Mama vartma, anuvartante. Ke, manushyaha. Sarvashaha. Manushyaha, sarvashaha. Mama vartma, anuvartante. Ye mam prapadyante. Tata eva mam prapadyante. Tan tata agam bhajami. Agam bhajami means I protect them. Bhajami. Okay. Anyway, next one. Sumati ji. But 12.
Yeah. 12 is Kankshantah karmanam siddhim yajanta iha devataha shipram hi manushe loke siddhir bhavati karmaja. So the first line, devataha, visarga remains because it's avasana. Then iha dev, okay. Then siddhim yajanta, there the padanta makara.
What about yajanta? What is yajanta?
Yajanta is it is atmanepati.
Okay. What lakara?
Yajanta is
Can you define yajanta? Lakara.
yeah, yajanta it will be
Yajate.
yajate, okay. Yajate, yajanta.
Yeah, so something has happened here. Because there is no yajanta. If it is lang lakara, ayajanta must be there. Right?
Yeah.
Ayajata, ayajetam, ayajanta. But a is not there. Yajanta only is there. So there is a typing mistake. One stroke should must be there at the top.
So it should be ayadi santi yakara lopaha yajante
Yes.
plus iha.
Yes.
So it should be yajanta. Yeah, okay. I left that. Sorry. Yeah.
Yajante.
Yajante
A
plus
becomes I. And yakara lopaha bhavasi. Lopaha bhavati. Lopaha, when does it happen? When followed by? When followed by? Yes.
Yeah.
Which letter?
it is E, no? So it's Ayadi Sandhi.
Not E, yakara.
Yakara.
Yajante plus iha ayadi sandhi.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Yajantai iha, yajantai iha, that is one form, or yakara can become lopa. When does it happen? When does yakara become lopaha? What is the condition?
Oh, it is Prakriti Bhavaha. Isn't
No,
it?
no Prakriti
Ah.
bhavaha. Yakara lopaha bhavati. See, yajan, first you said ayadi sandhi, that's correct.
Yeah.
Yajante, it becomes yajantai plus iga, you can do melanam, yajanta iga, that is one. Optionally, yakarasya lopa bhavati, yakara will become lopa, that is optional. Okay, so two forms are
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
You understand two
Okay.
forms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm asking, by what rule rule that yakara lopaha bhavati? Anybody? Please check the
Yakara
Sandhi
at the end of the
Purva
padam
akara
or
followed by harsh
followed
letter.
by ash letter.
yakara at the
End of the padam
not end of the
before-
padam. Right? End of the
yeah,
padam.
or at preceded by a and followed by ash letter.
No,
Not end of the padam.
No, there are two options. So I'm saying both.
What two
This
options?
is not the end of the padam. This is not at the end of the padam.
Okay,
only,
okay.
but
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
just
yakara
I'm
which is
saying
at
the
the
rule.
yes. Yakara at the end of the padam. Yes. Followed by
Harsh.
Followed by
Ash
ash
letter.
letter.
followed by yash.
Preceded by akara. Or a.
Yes. Yakara, not any yakara. That's correct. Yakara at the end of the padam. Padanta yakara. Or one more thing is there.
Or vakara.
Preceded by a and followed by ash letter.
That's important. Yakara at the end of the padam is one thing, and preceded by what precedes. That's also important.
Preceded by a and or a.
Yes.
Akara or Akara. Okay.
And followed by
Ash.
Ash letter.
hash letter. And within hash also, if it is vowel, then yakara lopaha optional. If it is a consonant, hash is ayun rilik. It consists of all the vowels and all the soft consonants. If it is a vowel, then yakarasya lopaha vikalpena bhavati. Optionally, yakara lopaha happens. But if it is soft consonant, then what will happen?
Same thing only.
Sangamitra ji.
Yeah.
If it is
If
soft,
it is harsh, what you're asking?
yes. If it
We
is
have
soft,
written just ash letter, it is optional. That's what we have written, nothing else.
okay. If it is a soft consonant, then it must drop.
Okay, it is not optional. It is
Optional.
compulsory. Okay.
Only when vowel follows yakara lopaha optional.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If the consonant follows hali sarvesham, sutra is hali sarvesham, akarasya, padanta yakara akarasya, lopaha bhavati, preceded by akara or akara. That condition being there.
Okay.
This is there in the chart, Sandhi chart. Could you find this in the Sandhi chart?
No, I haven't.
Please check the Sandhi chart. Anybody, can you check the Sandhi chart? This yakara lopaha, this Sandhi is, this rule is mentioned. Can one of you just check the Sandhi chart and tell me the rule number, the serial number, not the rule. Our serial numbers are there. Let me also open that file.
B.
Just want to confirm it is there in the Sandhi chart. Because the same thing, it will be definitely there. If it is not there, I will include it.
I have not seen that. I didn't see it.
Just give me time. I think it must be there. Karatsi lopaha. That
Not there. 24B.
8319 is there, but not.
A319 only. Lopaha shrakal.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Ali
Yeah, not
Salvation is
before
before
it.
that. That is
Yeah.
A3.
Must be 18, not there.
24 or 23, that must be. Ali Sarvesham. Okay, if that is not there, that also can include in the Ali Sarvesham 8322. When hal follows Sarvesham Lopaha, always it Lopaha Bhavati. Okay. Anyway, that Sandhi, I mean, that rule, it is covered indirectly, not directly here, specifically.
Okay.
I can write here in this Sandhi chart, that also.
Okay.
I'll update this.
Which one, Sharanji? It will come under?
It will come under, that's what here, difficult to specify where here, because it's a separate one.
Okay.
Somewhere I have to put a note or something and mention this. Okay, you can note this. That is, that's Yakara and Vakara. So in the Ayadi Sandhi Yakara, you can see Yakara coming, Yakara or Vakara.
Yeah.
And this Yakara Vakara, that is Padanta Yakara Vakara, very specific. Padanta Yakara Vakara, preceded by the A or A. That also Ayadi Sandhi, I, Av, Akara, Akara comes. So, therefore, Padanta Yakara Vakara preceded by Akara or Akara and followed by vowels, Aj. Then Yakara Lopaha Bhavati optionally. Number one. If it is soft consonant, that is hush, then it must go. It's a rule. Okay. So in the shloka, now, Yajante Iga, Yakara se Lopaha Bhavati optionally. Because followed by Iha.
Iha.
Therefore.
Okay.
Okay. So that's what it is.
In Siddhim Yajanta, there it is Padantamakara followed by Hal. So you have Anuswara Sandhi. Same thing with Karmana. And Kanshantaha Karmanam, the Visarga is retained because it is followed by Kar letter and it is Kakara. So you get the sound of Chikwa Mulya. Yeah. Then the second line, Karmaja, I don't think it's there. Then Siddhir Bhavati, that you can split it as Siddhihi plus Bhavati. Is it right, Sharanji? Because at Repa is there, Visarga, yeah.
Repa preceded by E. So
preceded by E.
Therefore, Repa will be there. It will not become. And also
Visarga.
followed by Bakara. Right?
Bakara. Then Loke, I don't think I could see anything.
Nothing is there that. Only Shipram.
Shipram, yeah, that is Anuswara Sandhi because Padantamakara is followed by Hal. So it is Anuswara Sandhi there.
Okay, next person, Krishnaji, number 13.
Chatur Varnyam Maya Srishtam Guna Karma Vibhagashaha Tasya Guna Karma Vibhagashaha Tasya Kartaram Api Mam Itya Kartaram Apyayam. Guna Karma Vibhagashaha, there's no Sandhi there, it's a single word, right?
Yeah, it's a Samasa, okay.
Visarga stays as it is because of Avasana. Srishtam Anuswara Sandhi because the para letter is Hal. The same for Chatur Varnyam.
Yes.
Second line, Avyayam, Akartaram Avyayam. So there it is Melanam. And Vidhi Akartaram, there is Yan Sandhi.
Yeah, Vidhi is the Kriya Padam. Vidhi is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachan. Vidhi Dhatu, Lot Lakara only. Vidhi. Mam Vidhi.
Mam Vidhi.
So Vidhi plus Akartaram, Vidya Kartaram.
Yan
Sandhi. Yeah.
Mam is same Anuswara Sandhi. The para letter is Hal. Kartaram Api, it's just Melanam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Next one. Ramaji.
Yeah. Na mam karmani limpanti na me karma phale spruha iti mam yobhijanati karma virna sabhadyate. First line, spruha, nothing happens there. Karma phale is also saptami vibhakti, and me shashti, this may shashti sharanji.
May karma pale spritha can be shashti or can be chaturthi also. So namam karmani limpanti name karma pale spritha. Yeah, don't they do not touch me. Okay. May to me karma pale spritha na. Or mama karma pale spritha na. You can say mama is shakti bhakti. Mama may, yes.
Then limpanti kriya padam. Then karmani.
May is chaturthi. Okay. Sprit dhatu. There are some dhatus which governs chaturthi bhakti. So may is chaturthi.
Okay. Then again, mam, there it is monaswara, padantamakara, anuswara replaces padantamakara, since it is followed by hal letter. Then here padyate kriyapadam, saha disappears.
That rule is there in the chart. Yeshaha saha, the saha is dropped, followed by consonant. Hal.
Letter. Then
Except, followed by al, not only consonants, also by vowel, except a.
okay.
That's what I think that's what I would have written. Al except a, short vowel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then karma bihi plus na. Here visarga is preceded by vowel other than a and a. Refa is there.
Okay.
Then yaha abhijanati. Here visarga is preceded by kara and followed by akara, the ash letter. First guna happens and then ukara, so guna happens and then purva rupa sandhi. Then again mam padanta makara, so anuswara replaces makara and it's followed by hallet.
I think we can stop this one here. We can go to the new topic. New topic ardhatuka sarvadhatu krit pratyaya, which we are discussing in the previous class. So, which we will see. Just a quick summary of what we saw in the previous class. You know that what is krit pratyaya. Krit pratyayas are pratyayas which are added to dhatus to derive a pratipadikam, and therefore it is a kridanta pratipadikam. And there are some krit pratyayas which gives you avyayam also, avyaya padani. That is what we are discussing first in the kridanta topic. And krit pratyaya can be a sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka. About that we discussed. Sarvadhatukam is that which are thing or shit. Other than that is ardhadhatukam. Some extra information I give. These pratyayas added to dhatus are found in the 3rd chapter of the Ashtadhyayi. Just to have some knowledge about that. That is 3rd chapter, and all the 4 sections, these pratyayas are spread out. And the krit pratyayas are that which are not ting pratyaya. Which are not ting pratyaya. And the krit ating, that which is not ting is krit pratyaya. You can remember. And krit pratyaya can be a sarvadhatukam or ardhatukam. Examples I have given here. Shatra, Shanach, which you are going to see, they are sarvadhatuka, kit, sarvadhatuka, krit pratyaya. It is not kit, it is sarvadhatuka, krit, it's a typo. Okay. So, and ardhadhatuka pratyaya, that which is not thing and also not shit. So, like example, tumun, tvalyap, many other pratyayas are there, which we are going to see. Okay. I think I don't have to introduce this again. You know it. You know this. Shall I continue further? Or got any doubt in this?
No, Sharan.
No, Ji.
Shall I continue further?
Yes,
Yes, please.
Yes, Sharan.
Okay. So summary is only this: sarvadhatukam. What is sarvadhatukam and what is ardhadhatukam? And krit pratyaya are those pratyayas by which you get a pratipadika. right? And the Pratipadikam can be declined in all the genders. Either you get a Pratipadikam or some pratyas gives you avyayam. Number one. And Krit can be a Sarvadhatuka Krit or Ardhatuka Krit. Possible. If it is a Shit pratyaya, then it is Sarvadhatukam. Otherwise, Ardhadhatukam. Only this much I said in the previous class. Extra information I give, that if it is understandable, now it is fine. Otherwise, we will see that later also. Then this question and possible question I raised and answered. Then in that case, Shap, Shan and Sha, which are the Gana Vikana Pratyaya, these are Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya because Shakara being eighth letter. These are Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Okay, but it is it Krit? No, it is not Krit. Even though these dhatus are added to dhatu, these are not Krit. For the reason, these are mentioned before that, the definition of Krit. This in the Ashtadhyay 3193 only it is mentioned. And 3193, Krit Ating, that which are not Ting, they are called Krit, is mentioned. So from 3193 onwards, Krit Pratyaya starts. So what precedes 3193? They are not Krit. Shap, Shan, Sha, all these are precedes 3193. 3193 is a number, third chapter, first section, 93rd sutra. Okay, so Shap, Shan, all these precede 3193. Therefore, they don't come under the category of Krit, even though it is seems to be because of Shakara being it, Shap, Shan, Sha. So it looks like like this Shatru Shanach I said. Shatru Shanach, those are Krit Pratyas. Shatru Shanach, it also look Shapushan. It also must be Krit. No, it is not Krit. Because these are specified before 3193, whereas Shatru, Shanach, they are specified after 3193. So the pratyas which come after 3193, those pratyas only can be classified as Krit, which are not Ting, important. They are not Ting, anything other than Ting after 3193, they are considered to be Krit pratyas. This also we discussed in the previous class. Please check that. I hope you understand what I say. Can you all follow?
Yes, sir.
3193 is, you need to just, I'm saying to make you understand that you should not think Shap, Shan can also be Krit. No, it is not Krit. Why it is not Krit? The reason is before 3193. That's all. Any pratyas which are before 3193, they cannot be classified. Only after 3193. That's a demarcation is there. Okay, now getting to the Tuman. The first thing what we are going to see in the Krit is Avyayam. These Avyayams are derived, therefore derivative indeclinables. The first example is the Tum Pratyaya, Tuman Pratyaya. Tuman is one Krit Pratyaya. Tuman is a Krit Pratyaya. It's a Krit Pratyaya, okay. When I say Krit, it means added to dhatu, and you get a dhatu, you get a kriya padam or a pratipadikam. What do you get?
Pratipadikam.
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 Only if it is a thing, you get a kriya padam. All the thing pratyas, Krit pratyas added to dhatu, but difference is thing pratyaya gives you kriya padam, tum pratyaya gives you pratipadikam, because tum is Krit. And now tum, is it a sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam?
Ardhadhatukam.
Because it is not thing, it is not one of the thing pratyaya, tiptasdi, and it is not shit also.
Shit also.
Therefore, ardhadhatuka pratyaya. Now, the content of tuman is tum. Nakara is it letter, and umu nasalized ukara, that also it. So therefore, the content is tum, ending with makara. So makara and the Krit is Avyayam. There is a rule. Tvato, tosun, kasunaha. And by that definition, makaranta krut, it gets the avyaya. Krinme jantaha, tvatosun kasunaha, by the sutra. So it becomes avyaya. So makaranta krut is avyaya. That much you remember. That is what I have marked it here. The krut pratyaya ending with makara will be an avyaya, will be indeclinable. So tum antam avyayam. That is our sutra. Tum antam avyayam. You can remember this. So tum pratyaya, tum antam, that which ends with tum is avyayam. And tum being a krut added to dhatu, you get avyaya, avyaya padam. Similarly, the next one, the next pratyaya, tva pratyaya. Tva. Tva is the next pratyaya. That we will see. It's going to come. That time we will see. First, now let us start the tum. Tum pratyaya we will see. I'm getting to tum immediately. Tva lyap we will see later. So some information about tumun. This, the dhatu, which take any dhatu you can add tum. So dhatu with tumun will be an avyayam. So when it is avyayam, therefore there is no question of purusha, vachanam, linga. That's avyayam. So samanyataha uddesha kriya vachaka dhatoho tuman pratyaya bhavati. Translation I have given below. That is, samanyata generally, verbs expressing wish or intention to do something will take tuman. So when two actions take place, one action is followed by another action, that is the action which is going to be accomplished. That action, that verb will take tum pratyaya. So when two actions take place, one after the other, the following action, the succeeding action will take tum pratyaya. That is what I have mentioned here. The wish or intention to do something. Wish or intention to do. Uddesha kriya vachaka dhatoho. Dhatoho tumam pratyaya bhavati. You can see dhatoho. Dhatoho is panchami vibhakti. Dhatoho tuman pratyaya bhavati. To the dhatu, tuman pratyas are added. And what is a dhatu? Uddesha kriya vachaka. Kriya is action. Vachaka expressing. Uddesha is the intention. What is intended by the action which is expressed. That dhatu, expressed by the dhatu, that dhatu will take tum pratyaya. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh. And also verbs expressing time, an action is due will take tum. That part we will see. The examples I will explain that. Now you can see the usage. Rama goes to the dining hall. Ramaha gacchati. Putra gacchati. Bhojanalayam gacchati. Then the second action. Rama eats. After going to the dining hall, he will eat. Or he goes to the dining hall to eat. So to eat, that is the action to be accomplished. That is a wish. That is the intention. Intention of going. So two actions are there, going and eating. Eating action follows going action. So the future action, that is the action to be accomplished, is kadati, kadana kriya, eat. So now gacchati, kadati, two actions are there. Gacchati preceding, kadati succeeding. So now the kadati will take tum pratyaya because it is the following action. So Rama goes to the dining hall to eat. So what is the purpose of going to the dining hall? To eat. So the purpose for which an action is done will take tum pratyaya. That is what we saw. The intention or wish to do something. Uddesha kriya vachaka dhatoho. So therefore, since kadati, kad dhatu, which is the succeeding kriya, action, that will take tum pratyaya. And you get Ramaha Bhojanalayam kharitum gacchati. Kaha gacchati Ramah. Kutra gacchati Bhojanalayam. Purpose is Kimartam gacchati Khaditum gacchati. So you ask Kimartam, you get the answer. To eat. So Khaditum. In English, it is equivalent to infinitive. That with the two, it comes infinitive. So that is the purpose. That is the meaning of tum pratyaya. So Khaditum is Tumun anta pratyaya. Khaditum is Tumun anta pratyaya. Tumun anta kridantam. Tumun anta kridantam. Tumun anta also sandhi has happened. Tumun plus anta. I leave it to you. You can find out what sandhi is. Next class homework. I will ask you what is this.
Namudagam. Namudagama.
That's good. Namutagama.
Namudagama. Yeah.
Immediately spotted out. I think Sandhi, I think I've become master. Then we don't have to look into the Gita every class.
Thanks to you, Sharanji, because if you only, yeah.
Immediately you said Namutagama. Good. So Tumananta Kridantam. So Kaditam is Tumananta Kridantam. Therefore it is Avyayam. Now how to derive this? Derivation part is important. Derivation part, we cannot know everything immediately because there is something called it. We should know about it. It Vyavastha, which is a bit complicated topic. So I would request you to be familiar with the forms. That is the approach here. You be familiar with the forms. It Vyavastha, for that we need to know, we need to have a lot of information. So that we did not see now. We will see that later. It Vyavastha is important. That we will see later. It is very useful in other contexts also. Now, how is it derived? First, let us know this it agama. What is agama?
Added to Stani. Yeah, Agama is the one.
Agama. Agama is that
which
is
added to Stani.
added to Stani. There are three types of agama.
Yeah.
What are they?
Tit, mit.
Yeah, Kit.
Tit agama, mit agama, kit agama. Three types of agama. I've explained this, I think, before.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Examples for tit agama.
Art.
Very good.
Art.
Art, and it also. It is a topic you're going to see. Itagama also is an example for Tittagama. So Tittagama are that in which Takara is it letter. So please don't get confused with it letter and Itagama. Okay. These things be clear. It letter is that which is it. That which is it is called it letter. That which is that here Takara is it letter. Therefore we can call it as a tit. Here Takara is it letter. Therefore it is a tit agama. Takara is it and the agama is it. Okay, don't get confused with that. Now, example for myth.
That dhatus.
Example for
Numagama. Numagama.
Num is example. We have seen num.
For dhatus.
Yeah, even in the Gita, just now we saw Name Namam Karumani Limpanti. Limpanti. How do you get Limpanti? Dhatu is Lipi. Idit Dhatu. You remember Idit Dhatu?
Yeah.
SJ.
Yes, Sharanji.
We'll get Numagama. We saw that in context that. Yeah. So Limpanti. That also you can do. Ramaji, I think you read that shloka.
Yeah.
Limpanti. Lipi gets Numagama. Limp. Okay, I can just type here and then.
We saw for Kapin Dhatu also.
Yes. Just type. Dhatu is. I'm typing. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Dhatu is Lipi. That is Numagama. That is it. This is Ikara. That E, it letter gets Numagama. After that, what happens? This is out of the topic. Okay, going to see Sandhi. Just to.
After the last vowel,
it becomes Anuswara.
Nakara is Adesha.
Yeah, Numagama, I've done that already. Nakara
Yeah.
is,
Okay.
Then becomes Anuswara, Sharanji. Limp.
yeah, tell me what happens next. Yes.
Apadanta nakara when followed by jal be replaced by anuswara.
Very good. Yes. Apadanta nakara or makara will become
Followed by
anuswara,
jal.
limp. Then after that,
Parasavarna will take. Limp. Parasavarna can take.
these sandhis are involved. Then after that you can add. It is limpanti. I think it is a fourth gana. Muchadi subgroup comes. Sixth gana, not fourth gana. Sixth gana. In Tudadi, we have got a subgroup called Muchadi. In that Muchadi, limp dhatu is there. So you get limpati. Limpati, limpataha, limpanti. Bhagavach in the shloka. Okay, anyway, this is a side point where we saw the Numagama, myth. Okay, number 5. Then example for Kit Agama.
Tunka.
Very good. Tukagama Sandhi also we saw. Please check the Sandhi chart.
Yeah.
At the end of the Sandhi chart, Tukagama. So Tukagama Kakara is it. The content of Tuk is Takara. Okay. So being Kit, therefore they are added at the end of Stani. So this is about Agama. Very good. So now Ittagama we need to know the content of it is E and is a Tit Agama and Valadi Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya will take It Agama. Please note this. This is number 2. Valadi Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya will take It Agama. What is Valadi? Can please someone can say what is Val? What are Val letters?
Starting from higher at va. Till
Another way simple is except Yakara. All the consonants.
Yeah.
Can we say?
Yes.
Because starting from Ayun, Ruluk, Evong, Ayouch, then Hayavarat, Ha, Ya, starting from Ya, Ha, Ya, Va is there, Ha, Ya, Va, Vakara, starting from that up to the last letter. All the consonants are included except Yakara. So, Valadi Ardhatuka. Valadi means the Pratyahara Val means all the consonants except Yakara. That is what I have written here, except Yakara. So, the Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya beginning with the Val letter will take It Agama. This is a general rule. Ardha Dhatukasya It Valadehe Sutra. Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya will take It Agama if the Pratyaya begins with Val letter. If the Pratyaya begins with any letter other than Yakara, any consonant other than Yakara. Is it clear? This is It Agama. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, Ardha Dhatuka Pratyaya will take It Agama. Now, in this case, you take Tum. What does it begin with?
Takara.
Will you take it or not?
Yes.
Why? Because the first letter is Takara, which is a Val and not Yakara. So therefore it's a Val letter. It will take Itagama. Right? Now where the Itagama will come, where you will place it? At the end or
End
the
of
middle?
the stani.
Huh?
End of the
Beginning.
Beginning, I'm sorry, beginning of the
beginning of the stani. So it will come at the beginning. Tum is the Pratyaya, that is a stani. And it is the Agama. So it comes before the stani and it becomes a part of the Pratyaya. Remember, it becomes part of the stani. So it becomes Itum. It's not Tum anymore. It is Itum. It is Itum. Now, it is not just Tum, it is Itum. It becomes a part of, integral part of the Pratyaya. Okay. That need to know that. There are some dhatus which will take it, some dhatus which will not take it, some dhatus which may take it optionally. So we have varieties. Refer Dhatu Kosha. Already sent the Dhatu Kosha to you. It is there in the OneDrive link. You can just see the Dhatu Kosha. In the column, you will find. Krishnanji, I think you referred that day. Remember? Yes,
Yes.
yeah, that is a column. Number 6th column, I think, in the Dhatu Kosha. A stands for anit. It means Dhatu will not take it. S stands for set. The Dhatus will take it agama. Please check the Dhatu Kosha. I shall show you now. And V stands for wait. That is, can take it agama optionally. Okay, I'm sharing Dhatu Kosha now. Just please see.
Yeah, column F.
Can you see
Column.
Dhatu Kosha? All of you?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
This I already sent you this. You can just see the column. Column numbers 5 or 6. 5. Now, first dhatu you take aka, kutilayam gatau, the meaning of the dhatu. And the content of the dhatu is ak, after removing the letter akara. Then gana is first gana. And it is a P is parasmipari dhatu. And the meaning is given to go like a serpent. Now, what is the 5th column? It is S. S and V written. S stands for set. S stands for set, not set. Okay, you can see here I am highlighting SET. SET means not English set. It is set. You have to read it as set, not set. Okay, set. And V stands for wait. A stands for wait. A stands for it means dhatu which can take itagama is set. Dhatu which can take itagama optionally, it is called wait. Dhatu which cannot take it, they are called anit. Can you follow this numbers 5th column? All of you?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sharanji.
Is it difficult to understand this set? The 5th column you see. Dhatus which can take set, which cannot take, it's all referred by the 5th column. You have the Dhatu Kosha with you?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please. Now, this, let me explain little more about this, this set and wait. I'm just typing here, this is the space here. See, dhatu which can take it, that is, ita saha, it, sa plus it, what will happen? Sa it, nothing but saha. Sa plus it will become, just join the set.
Set.
Sa plus it becomes set. This is what is written there. Here, sa means saha. Saha, okay. But ha is not seen. It is sa plus. Sa generally means along with. That is the meaning of sa. So sa plus it set. And va, optionally, va it will become
Wait.
Wait.
a plus e. Gunasandhi, wait,
Gunasandhi.
wait. Na it will become, it's not an it,
Nay.
not
Anit.
need. You cannot join that. Na plus it,
Oh,
na
because
plus
it's
e, not
H
need.
letter.
Huh?
It's H letter.
Yeah. So when you are giving a negative particle for something, when you are giving a negative, when you are not negative, when you are giving a not particle, when you are giving a negative of something, here, if that begins with the vowel, then what will happen? Then you have to say an plus it becomes anit, anit,
Nay.
anit. Okay, an plus it will become anit. Let me explain this. This is na it is not need. Okay, please note this. Na it is not need. Let me explain this. Nanch tat purusha. See, this is a side topic, not the topic related to this, but still it is good to know. Dharma, opposite of dharma is
Adharma.
Dharma.
Adharma.
yeah.
Yeah.
Na dharma becomes adharma, right? Na is negative. Na dharma will become a dharma, right? Okay. Then, so therefore, dharma, adharma. The next one let us take. Kshara. Opposite of this is
Akshara.
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 akshara. That is na kshara is akshara. Okay. Now, it. Opposite of this is
Anit.
Anit.
yes. So here what happens is na it. It is na it is na it only. But here what happens? You can see this it. The word begins with the vowel. Kshara begins with consonant. Dharma begins with a consonant. Therefore, when you want to say the opposite of this, na dharma, just add akara. Before that, gives the opposite meaning. Na dharma, adharma. Na kshara, akshara. Whereas here, it begins with the vowel. Therefore, na it, not it. What will happen is nakara, the na will become, the nunch, the negative particle, that na will become un. Will become un. Un plus it will become unit. Un plus it will become unit. The same, another example. Amayam. Amayam. Amayam is unhealthy. So opposite of this is
Anamayam.
na. Amayam. Na will be replaced by un plus amayam. Because amayam begins with the vowel. And therefore you get the negative particle anamayam. Right? Understand this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Okay. So this is how the negative particle, negative opposite words are formed. Na dharma, adharma. Na amayam, anamayam. Okay, not namayam. Or whatever may be. Here it's na it is, not nate. It is anit. So anit means not an it. Okay, the topic is itagama. About it we are discussing. The dhatus which can take it, which take it agama, they are called set dhatu. Dhatu which can take it optionally, they are called wait dhatu. Dhatus which cannot take it, they are anit dhatus. So the three types of dhatus you can know. Actually, it is not dhatu. It is really pratyaya which takes. Okay. What take the itagama? Dhatu takes itagama or the pratyaya?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what we have been discussing. What we discussed? Ardha dhatuka pratyaya beginning with val takes only the itagama. So it is only the pratyaya takes itagama, not the dhatu. Valadi ardha dhatuka pratyaya following the dhatu will take itagama. Right? So pratyaya only takes itagama, not the dhatu. But we are saying dhatu is it, dhatu is set, dhatu is anit. It is only for our convenience, for our understanding, it is said like that. But it is actually the pratyaya takes itagama, not the dhatu. Okay. Please understand that. The dhatu kosha is what we prepared. For our understanding, for our convenience, we prepared this dhatu kosha. So dhatu cannot take it. Pratyaya only takes it. Based on the pratyaya, the dhatu is called as set or wait or anit. It is like you are wearing spectacle, right? Spectacle for the nose or for the ear? Spectacle for the nose or for the eyes or for the ear? Ear also, you can say. Yes, why not? Spectacle for the eyes only. At least in Tamil, it is very clear. We say it as a mukku kannadi, right? It is really kan kannadi. It is for the eyes, not for the nose. The nose is only the resting place. but we call it as a mukha kannadi. So, like it sacrifices a name. I will sacrifice a name and gives to something else. Similarly, here also, even though it should be called Even though it is a pratyaya which takes itagama, not the dhatu. But we call the dhatus that set, wait, and anititi. Can you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, I've explained here set in detail. I thought I have not explained. This file itself we can see. Set dhatu. Itasaga vartate iti set dhatu. Set dhatu means that the pratyaya beginning with val added to the dhatu will take itagama. I've written very specifically pratyaya. Anit. Na it iti anit. That which is not it. Which doesn't take it. Anit means that even though the pratyaya added to the dhatu begin with val letter, it will not take itagama. Okay. It is for our understanding. I've written like this. Wait. Va it iti wait. Wait dhatu means that the pratyaya beginning with val, pratyaya beginning with ardha-dhatuka. Okay, ardha-dhatuka pratyaya. We need to understand it is ardha-dhatuka pratyaya. Everywhere it is ardha-dhatuka pratyaya. Not mentioned. Let me. Even if it is not there, we can understand. It is only ardha-dhatuka pratyaya which can take the itagama. Okay. So wait is that which ardha-dhatuka pratyaya beginning with the val letter will take itagama optionally. So therefore, you will have two forms. So these are about set, anit, and wait. Simple introduction. Simple introduction. Now, I have mentioned here in the Dhatu Kosha, that is the book what we referred now. Set dhatus, anit dhatus, wait dhatus are marked as SAV respectively. I think I have typed everything in this document. So if you go through this document, you will understand what it is. But I will explain this, what I have written. Therefore, now taking the example, khad, you can check the Dhatu Kosha. It is marked as set dhatu. You will see yes. Khad will be marked as yes in the fifth column. It means khad dhatu is a it set dhatu. It can take itagama. Therefore, the tuman pratyaya of khad will be khad plus tumun. The first step. The content of tumun is tum. Being a set dhatu, therefore pratyaya, valadi pratyaya, valadi ardha-dhatuka pratyaya taking itagama. So becomes itum. So kad plus itum will become khaditum. You get the form khaditum, to eat. Understand this? Up to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kad plus tum. If it takes itagama, add e, itum, kad plus itum, then just join kaditum. Now my question is, kad plus itum. This itum is the pratyaya. Can it cause angakarya or not? Yes or no?
No,
It's an ardha-dhatuka pratyaya, right?
it's a ardha-dhatukam.
So,
So
anywhere,
iganta
did I
means it can cause.
say anywhere ardha-dhatuka pratyaya will not cause any guna? Nich has caused, yes, you're saying nijanta, nich also causes guna, angakarya, you just now said, right? Krishnaji.
Yes, yes.
And you say it's not asardhatuka, though it's not contradictory.
It can
So,
cause angakarya.
ardhatukam or sarvadhatukam, please note, both can cause angakarya. There should not be any doubt. Nich we have seen. 10th gana, nijanta also we have seen causative forms. Where the nich pratyaya is added, nich is what pratyaya? Ardhadhatuka pratyaya. Doesn't it cause guna? We have seen the angakarya, gunakarya. Chur
Yes.
become chori.
So, yes.
So, therefore, whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhatukam, angakarya can happen. Number one, note this. If it is a sarvadhatuka pratyaya and not a pit, if it is a pit, then it will be deemed to be kit. Okay. It will deemed to be kit, and kit pratyayas, whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhatukam, will negate guna, will negate angakarya. So, whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhatukam, Any pratyaya can cause angakarya. If it is kit, then it will negate angakarya. Understand? Only these two. Pratyaya can cause angakarya, whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam. This is number one. Number two, if it is kit, then angakarya is negated. Number three, sarvadhatukam apit considered to be kit, therefore it negates guna. Don't confuse with sarvadhatukam apit and bring it here and it will negate guna. So don't have that confusion. So 3 points you remember. Make it clear. Number one, I repeat again, the pratyaya, whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam, any pratyaya can cause angakarya. There is no doubt about that. There should not be any doubt about that. And if the pratyayas, if it is skipped, then it will negate angakarya. These two things you remember. Then the third thing is very specific to sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Sarvadhatukam apit, deemed to be kit, because it is kit, therefore it negates angakarya. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here tum pratyaya follows, which is ardhadhatukam, not kit. Therefore angakarya it can do. But here for doing angakarya there is nothing to do. Last letter is dakara, consonant, and preceding letter is akara. Angakarya not possible here, therefore doesn't do. Otherwise it can do. Okay. So my question was whether angakarya possible only, I asked. Yes, possible. But here there is nothing, no letters in the anga to make it guna or vriddhi, not there. So therefore it doesn't happen here. It doesn't happen because here anga doesn't have that letters. If anga has that letters, it will happen. We're going to see. Okay. So therefore, aham bhojanalayam gacchami, aham bhojanalayam kaditum gacchami. So kaditum, future action takes tum pratyaya. You get kaditum. Saha kaditum upahara mandiram gacchati. Upahara mandiram is dining hall only, same. Then the second one, balike kadanam kaditum griham agacchataha. You can see this line. Third example. Balike, not 1 1, it is 1 2. It's a mistake. Balike agacchataha. Come. Putra griham. For what? To eat. Kaditum. To eat what? Kadanam. Food. So kadanam is the karma for kaditum. The sentence, griham is the karma for a plus gam, agamana kriya. Griham is the karma for agamana kriya and kadanam is the karma for kadana kriya. Two kriyas are there, therefore two kriya taking different karma. Two kriya taking different karma. Kriya is there, it means it can take karma. Possible. In the previous sentence, karma is not there for kaditum. Saha kaditum upahara mandiram gacchati. Kutra gacchati? For gamana kriya, upahara mandiram is the karma, the place of destination, which is karma, therefore dvitiya vibhakti. Kaditum, to eat. Doesn't have karma here, the sentence. Whereas in the third sentence, karma is there. Kadana kriya. Kadanam is the karma for kaditum. Griham is the karma for agamana kriya. Is it clear, the three examples?
Yes, sir.
Just to show you that tum pratyaya can take karma, because not tum pratyaya, any kriya can take karma. Here tum akaditum is an action. The action can have karma. The karma is kadanam, eating. Balike kadanam kaditum griham agacchataha. So more and more examples you will see, you will understand. Gam dhatu, gam plus tum becomes gantum. No itagama. The form is gantum. You need to know the forms in the beginning. Just gum. Say don't say gamitum. Gum plus Tum is gantum. Be familiar with the form. Gantum, kaditum, patitum, dhavitum. Iti. Ramaha naukam aroghati. Vanam gacchati. Two kriyas are there. Rama, he gets into the nauka, the boat. Where does he go? To the forest. Now we have to join using tum. To which action you will add tum? To which action?
Later action.
Second action. Yeah.
Second action is vanam gacchati, goes to the forest. So Ramaha aroghati, that is a basic sentence. Ramaha naukam aroghati. Nauka is the boat for the arohana kriya. And Ramaha naukam aroghati, to go. Gantum. Ramaha gantum naukam aroghati. He climbs to the boat to go. Where? Vanam. Vanam is the karma for gamana kriya, gantum, which is intended, which is a wish to be accomplished. So Ramaha vanam gantum naukam aroghati. Is the sentence clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharon.
So gam dhatu will take tum pratyaya, and gam dhatu, here you can see gam plus tum, the dhatu kosha you can see, whether it is a set or wait or anit. So here no itagama, doesn't take itagama. So gum plus tum, and sandhi rules are applied. Gum plus tum, makara becomes anuswara, and anuswara becomes that parasavarna, so it becomes gantum. The form is gantum. So like that we are going to see few dhatus. I will listed out some 30-40 dhatus are there. Those dhatus are enough to start with. Later when we learn more and more rules, we can form the tuman forms. Okay, so we can stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Any doubts with regard to tumum? I think one doubt is always there in your mind. You are saying, when I say ardhataka, then you are saying it will not cause tuna. That doubt should not be there. Whether it is sarvadhatukam or ardhatukam, it will cause angakarya. No doubt about that. Only if it is kit, angakarya is negative. If it is ardhatuka kit, angakarya will happen or not? Yes or no?
Sorry? No.
No,
If it is
no,
ardhatuka kit pratyaya, will angakarya happen?
no.
No, it will be negative.
It will be negative.
If it is sarvadhatuka kit, will angakarya happen?
No,
No.
If it is sarvadhatuka apit, will angakarya happen?
no.
No.
Because sarvadhatukam
It
apit
becomes
is
a
kit.
kit.
Will sarvadhatuka pit can cause angakarya?
Yes.
Yes.
If you understand this, then it is fine. This is what it is. Okay. So don't have any doubt when ardhatuka pratyaya follows and you don't see pit there. Therefore, it is kit. It is only for sarvadhatukam, not for ardhatuka. I think you are mixing up. That is why the confusion comes. That pitvam is only for sarvadhatuka. Okay. Don't bring it to ardhatuka. Ardhatuka can cause angakarya. If it is kit, it will not cause. Okay, that you need to remember. I think we can stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No doubts, I'm also happy. We can proceed further. The next class, we will see this tum pratyaya. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. If you have any doubts, you can please ask.
Dhanyavada Sharanji.
धन्यवाद शरण जी.
Samshayam asti va nasti va? No doubts?
No doubts, Sharanji. Right now we are too confused.
Right now?
I mean, there's a lot of information, so it takes a little while to sink in.
A lot of information, yes. Okay. 1 week time is there. You can ruminate on this.
This PDF.
I need to listen to this one.
This file will be sending, Sharanji.
This file I'm editing, so
Okay.
give me some time. I have not done.
Okay. Sure.
I don't have time to do. So it's been done. So that when I finish, I will send you this.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharanjan.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Dhanyavad. Yeah.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.